Hi friends, when you are going to one site, when you are going to one project, if you want to become a professional engineer, you need to understand some documentations. Unless otherwise, if you don't have able to control the documentation, something like that, you will categorize down. Again, categorize down. So I will teach you some important documentation for you. Whenever you are going to one site, there is one specific thing is there. Any material which you are going to use for this project, you need to take some material approvals. Unless otherwise, you cannot go ahead. Without approval, you cannot install any pipes. So, which material you are going with, for example, pipe, net, bolt, wash, or something like that, or fittings, valves, pumps, everything you need to take material approvals from the project consultant if you are a contractor. So, we need to make some proper documentation for that. Then only that we can submit, they can get the approval. Not only just we are submitting one brochure and they will approve. No, we will submit something letter request. They will approve this. No, there is some number of document we need to attach as a bunch, bundle, submit it. So I will discuss about that one. See here, you can see one of my project and the manufacturer. See what are the things you need to submit. I will explain to you one by one. Manufacturer company profile. This one, the first one. The manufacturer, who maybe rack tram pipe or something like that. Many brands is there. They have a profile. Should be attached first. Next, if the manufacturer is not directly selling to you, maybe some dealers or distributors are there. Their profile need to be attached. This one, the consultant, they want to understand what is the how familiar this brand or something like that. Or commercial registration. Maybe they have the company. They have government certifications like the factory certificate, something like that. There is a commercial registrations are there that need to be submit. And complaint statement. Complaint statement means this is very important. Complaint statement. It is something like a heart. When a project is issuing to any contractor, any team, the consultant, they will issue a project specification. In the project specification, there are thousands of pages will be there normally. In that MEP division you can take. In the MEP division, there is piping is there. In the piping, there is some condition they will mention. For example, above ground indoor piping, PPR is selected and this class, this grade, this thickness. Such kind of some conditions they will mention. That condition we need to comply. Is yes or no? Yes or no? Is yes or no possible or no? This is called complaints statement. Product catalog. The selected product, there are some, for example, this manufacturer, they have thousands of products. Maybe the pipe you are selecting. Maybe he have a manhole, maybe he have another drainage pipe and something like that. The product catalog, the specific catalog we need to attach. The company have some ISO certification, something like that, if you have or no. See, if there is some certification is there, mentioned is there. And there is some third-party certification will be there. For example, the factory, they will give some laboratories or testing labs to make the test. They will make the pressure testing or maybe they will do the bending testing or something like that. There is some criteria of testing is there. There is some spec is there as per the norms. So they will give the third party. They will give some test certificate. Maybe some this pipe when the pressure is increasing, it will blast or something like that. There is a certificate is there. And there is a country of origin from where the manufacturing is there. Maybe China or America or India, whatever it is. And they will ask the list of previous projects. Yani the previous project list, maybe in this country, for example, Qatar or UAE, wherever. In any other projects, this same brand or same pipe is used or no. And previous project approvals, like previous project approval means the previous project there is some documentation the consultant they have approved, maybe different customers like that. This is only for pipes and such kind of things, this documentation. In case of pumps, water pumps, equipments, the criteria is different. You need to make selection sheets along with this. There is some other formalities, sir. I will come to you one by one. So we will start by piping. So you got my point, no? So we will have a scroll down. What are the documents are there? Just to have a look. See the manufacturer company profile as we discussed in the first time, and you can study over here. If you are interested in MEP services, I saw there are so many people are interested in MEP services. Great. See the commercial registrations. This is Qatar government. They have issued certificates. You know, this is a company license actually, I think. Complaint statement. This is what I said before, the complaint statement. See, this is as per project specifications, and here, and the right side they have complaint where it is, whether it is okay or no. Something like that. See, this is okay or no, proposed. Or if it is not as it is as per project spec, which one is proposed. So that also they can mention over here. This is project specification. We can read it. I can try to give you the documentation for you for study purpose only. Product catalog. Yes, this particular product which we selected, that catalog, and see the pipe dimension, thickness, everything is there. And in which diameter, which thickness, in increase in diameter, increase in thickness, like that, it is there. And we can go down again, and there are some fittings details. What are the accessories available along with this particular brand? Everything you can see over here. There is they attach the proper spec. Then we will go down again and again and again. See the ISO certificate. As we see in the beginning, this is the ISO certificates, and there is some other certificate also they have mentioned over here. And we will see the country of origin certificate. See, this is the country of origin certificate. List of previous projects. See, wow, previous approvals. If some consultant have some approvals, this is approvals sheets. Maybe different projects, different consultant, whoever is approved this brand, we can attach as a reference. This is the way how we need to do the material submittal to the consultant. This is the end of the stage. So there is some number of approvals are there. See, so many documentations are there. You can read. Maybe I can you can check in the below description. I can put some this documentation as in a CD, and I can give you something like that. I can check the description. I will put some purchase link or something. You can buy. I will give you a very small fees, but I can take, and I can give you the documentation so that you can make a study and you can go for proper details. And I can attach some CD also, so in the video CD, so that you can learn very easily how to make some material submittal. And another thing also, the method statement, the calculation side, everything I will make you some CD for you. So you can check the video description below. You can go ahead, sir. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.